Hello my beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. I'm meeting you after ages because I was doing a lot of research for this video. As you can see from the thumbnail, today's vlog is about coloring, highlighting your hair. Now all the details I'm going to give you in this video: who can do it, what is the technique, and what effects you will get it, and who cannot do this hair coloring. So keep watching me in this video. If you ask me why I wanted to do my hair color by myself, is because of this lockdown period, and because of this time, everything you're doing it by yourself. You can see I'm doing the gel nails by myself also. If you want to see how I do it by myself since 2 years, comment below and I will share the same video with you. Coming back to my today's topic, I had colored my hair 1.5 years back, and the color technique that the professional used was balayage, and the color type was honey caramel. So my hair grows really fast, because of which all the color had come to the bottom and it was looking really bad. You can see from my previous videos, my actual hair color is jet black and the honey caramel at the bottom. The shade was not going very much well. So what I wanted to do is, like, I wanted to upgrade my hair color by myself with my own technique. So I was doing a lot of research and I've got this video for you. So who can do this technique, who can use this coloring technique? One, people like me who have already colored their hair 1.5 years back, 2 years back, and who want to get the color up till the midsection. Two, people who have virgin hair, they can do this technique on the black hair color. It will look fabulous. Number three, people who want to do root touch up, who have gray hair, they can do this technique. So who cannot do this hair coloring, I mean to say, who will not get the actual color? People who have recently applied henna, that is mehendi, to their hair. They need to take minimum 2 months of break. That is the basic thing in any hair coloring. Even the professionals in the salons will tell you the same thing, because you may get the color but you will not get the actual color, because the mehendi, the henna, is actually strong dye. Now you should take two precautions before proceeding with this technique that I'm going to show you in this video. Number one, if you are doing this coloring for the purpose that I did it, like if you have pre-colored hair and you want to merge your initial up hair with the below colors, you have to buy the same color type. Like I had honey caramel, honey blonde balayage 1.5 years back. So I'll be showing you in this video that I bought the same color. It can be 19-20 here and there difference. It can be dark shade color, it can be light shade color, but you need to buy the same shade color. I mean to say, if you have done ombre of red, you need to do red only with this technique. Number two precaution is that buy a good hair color which is ammonia free, which contains argan oil or which contains keratin. Now the hair color that I'm using is from Thailand. It is a Biowoman hair color. All the details I'll be giving you in this video. Now if you want to see the complete look, I'm not showing you the look now. Keep watching me in this video. I'll be showing you the full look from behind at the end of this video. So let's get started.
Firstly, prepare yourself mentally, because this process will take a little bit of longer time. So have a cup of tea or coffee and wash your hair with any regular shampoo that you use. But do not use conditioner, do not use any serum. Just wash your hair, keep your hair damp. Not very much wet but damp, so that you can remove your hair from the cap. As you can see over here, all my hair is black from above, and the previous color that I had done has reached to the bottom. What material you will need? You will require magic cap or bleaching cap, non-metallic container, brush, spoon, gloves, comb, foil paper, and any hair color that you would love to use. You can also use Garnier, L'Oreal, or Streaks hair color. Now to match the hair color, I am using over here golden blonde, because I had already done honey blonde 1.5 years back. So this Biowoman hair color, it is one of the 2018 leading brand award winning color, and the directions are written in this. You have to follow it. It contains a developer. In this, equal concentration of cream is given, so you have to mix this in 1:1 ratio. They also provide a conditioner, they also provide hair serum. So these are all the things provided in this kit. Now partition your hair in whichever side you keep and fasten this hair cap, not very tight, not very loose, and remove the hair with the help of this metal rod. And depending upon the hair color you need, you can keep hair thin, or I wanted little bit of medium coverage, so I am removing more little hair. You can go overboard also, you can remove more hair strands as well. Start with the middle section from the front up to the back and then go on with the side section. So as you can see, this is like the middle section I'm taking out. Here I have already removed all the hair required to be colored from the cap, from middle, from the side, and now as you can see the hair has been mixed up which is inside the cap. So I have to segregate, I have to separate it. If you feel your hair has been tangled enough, use comb and detangle your hair, and make sure you keep your hair damp, because for application of hair color you require damp hair. Now I have segregated the remaining hair into a rubber band which I am not going to color, and also I'm going to use any old towel so that I do not color the hair inside the cap. Now mix the cream and the developer in 1:1 ratio. I did not use the complete amount. I only used around 7 spoons of cream and 7 spoons of developer and mix it properly. You can take someone's help for application. As you can see, I am not applying from the roots, and after applying the hair color, seal it up into a foil paper so the heat it will get and the color will develop. So after application of all the color on my hair, I am relaxing over here, and I will wait for half an hour to 45 minutes. Keep on checking up till you get the desired color. Then shampoo your hair, use the conditioner and serum provided, and you can see I have got beautiful global highlights on my hair.
I hope you like the technique. I hope you love the video, and now I'll be showing you the actual result. You must have seen the result immediately after post washing my hair, but this is the look you will get after 2 days. Like, I colored my hair day before yesterday, and this is the look that you get. I just love this look. I only had color at the bottom section. Now you can see the color has merged and it has come till here. I do not color the crown area because I do not have gray hair, and I really like to leave little bit of section from above, and I color from this mid area. So this is the look that I achieved from this hair cap technique, and doing it by yourself. I am really happy with this look. I'm really impressed, and I think you just cannot make out whether you have done it in salon or you have done it by yourself. If you want more tips how to take care of colored hair post coloring, I'll be making a separate video on that. And also, there is a good news. I'm going to do one more highlights. Like, this is like a global color. I'm going to do a proper highlights with blonde. So if you want to see that video, keep watching me on my channel and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.